प्रेस मत करना हाँ ठीक है Okay, welcome back everyone. In my third lecture for class 10, exercise 2.3 today we are going to do. And the first questions we are going to take today is question number 1 from exercise 2.3 is number 1, divide the polynomial p of x. They have given the value of p of x by the polynomial g of x, and we have to divide that p of x by the polynomial g of x and find the quotient and the remainder of the in each polynomial. That means we are going to find the quotient and the remainder in each polynomials. Okay, so first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to write p of x as the dividend and g of x as a divisor. We have written x square minus 2. G of x will always be here and p of x will be inside. So when we are dividing it, how to divide it, students? We have to learn it properly. This one, see here. First of all, you have to arrange this in the order according to the power. So here you see x cube is the highest power, then x square, then x, and then without x, that is constant term. So what we will be doing, the first term and this first term, you have to divide it. See here, x cube. The first term is what? X cube. So we have written here x cube, and what is the term here? X square. So we have to divide here. So x square and x cube. If you cancel it, what is left? X. And with this x, what you have to do is, with this x, you have to multiply this one. That is the divisor. You have to multiply it with the x. So with the x, we are multiplying it. So what we are getting? X into x square minus 2. So when you multiply x into x square, it becomes x cube. Minus sign, it will be minus x into 2x it will be. So we have written here x cube minus 2x. Whatever we got here, we have written it. Now, since we are going to do subtraction, so sign will change. This is positive, so it will become negative. This is negative, so it will become positive. So this is x cube cancel. So now what is left here? Here it is 2x. So now we have to say, is there any x term here? Yeah, it is there. That is 5x. So 5x and 2x will be added. So it comes how much? 7x. And there is no square term downside. So square term, whatever it is there, remaining it will directly come down. So what is here? Minus 3x square. So we have written minus 3x square, and this is what? Minus 3. So minus 3 we have written it. Now the first term is what? 3x. So this 3x minus 3x square, and our term here is what? First term is what? X square. So we will be writing divided by x square. Cancel. What is left? Equal to minus 3. With this minus 3, what we have to do? Again we have to multiply this one. So we have multiplied this with minus 3. So it becomes minus 3 into x square minus 2. So we got dispatch. We have written it, and after that again we are going to do subtraction. So we are changing the sign. This is minus, so it will become plus. This is plus, so it becomes minus. So these two can get cancelled. 7x, there is no x term, so 7x will directly come. This is constant term, this is constant term, so we have added it. That is minus 6 minus 3, so it becomes minus 9. So we have got the quotient how much? X square, x minus 3, and remainder is what? 7x minus 9. So we have written here 7x minus 9. Okay, now this is the things, you can take it down. Now we'll move to the second question. Okay, so now we are going to do the second questions from here. Second question, in our second question they have given p of x equal to x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. That is our p of x, and g of x is what? X square. This is nothing but x square minus x plus 1. So here also same thing, they are telling us to find what? Quotient and remainder. So same way, our g of x will be here and p of x will be writing it here. Now how to do, as we have done in the last question, same way. Here what is there, the first term? It is x to the power 4. So we will divide x to the power 4. What is the first term here? It is x to the power 2. So we will divide by x to the power 2. Here power is 2, here power is 4. So it will be x to the power 2. So this is our nothing but this is our quotient. So we have written here x to the power 2. And with this x to the power 2, what we have to do? We have to multiply the divisor. So x square, and our divisor is what? X square minus x plus 1. So you have to multiply whole thing with this. So when we multiply x square into x square, we get what? X to the power 4 minus x square into x. It becomes, here nothing is, power is 1. 2 plus 1 is how much? 3. X to the power 3, and here x square into 1, it will be x square. So this term we are writing it here. Okay. So we have written here x to the power 4 minus x to the power 3 plus x. Whatever we got, we have written it here. Now since we are going to do subtraction, so we have changed the sign. It is positive, so it became negative. It is negative, so positive, positive, negative. So you can see here x to the power 4, x to the power 4. We have cancelled it. Sign is opposite, one is plus, one is minus, so we have cancelled it. Remaining thing, you see, is there any x cube term? No x cube term. So whatever term is here, you will write it exactly here. And x term, yeah, x term is here. So we'll do the additions or subtractions. So 4x minus x, it will be how much? 4x. Just a minute. Sorry, it is x square. So here it will be what? See, x to the power 4, x to the power 4 cancel. Minus 3x square minus x square. So it becomes what? Minus 3x square minus x square, it becomes minus 4x square. And this is minus x cube. It has changed into plus. So we have written here plus x cube. Plus what is there? 4x. So we have written 4x, 5 we have written it. Why? Because there is no relevant term here. Okay. Next. What is our first term here now? X to the power 3. And what is the first term here? X to the power 2. So if divide it, it becomes x. We got it x. So we have written this x here. Now with this x, we have to multiply the entire thing here. So we will multiply x into x square minus x plus 1. So when you multiply it, you will get x into x square. It becomes x cube. X into x minus x square. X into 1, that is x. So this term you will be writing it here. So we have written it. Now we are changing the sign. So it is plus, so it becomes minus. It is minus, so plus, minus. So x cube cancel. So see here minus 4x square. Here it is plus x square. So you will subtract it. You will get what? Minus 3x square. Why minus 3 square? Because minus term is greater. Okay. Then plus 4x square minus x. So it becomes plus 3x and this 5. Now again, what is our first term here? Minus 3x square. Again, our first term here is what? Square. So x square cancel. What is left out? Minus 3. So this minus 3, we have written it here. And with this minus 3, again you will multiply the entire thing. So when you multiply x square minus x plus 1, so you will be getting here minus x square minus 3x square minus into minus, it will be plus 3x minus into plus minus. So we have written this term here. Now what we are going to do, we are going to change the sign. This is minus, will become plus, minus, minus, plus. So this 3x square term cancel, 3x term cancel. What is left? 5 plus 3, so it becomes 8. So our quotient is x square plus x minus 3. That is our quotient, and remember how much we got? 8. So this is the solutions. Now you can take it down. Second question, third question, sorry. So here it is, the p of x is given what? P of x equal to x to the power minus x to the power 4 minus 5x plus 6. We have written it. This is given in the question. And g of x here it is given 2 minus x square. So dear students, you should understand one thing, that in these questions, always remember, before going for divisions, you have to first arrange it according to the power or degree. So here you see the constant term is first and the degree term is the last. So first of all, we have to arrange it. So that's what we have done here. We have brought it this minus x square term first. That is minus x square plus 2. So we have written, now everything is done. Now g of x we are going to write here, and p of x which will be here. So now what we are doing, since I have been telling you in the last questions, see here, the first term of this and the first term of this, you have to divide it. That is x to the power 4, it will be divided by minus x to the power 2. So this one and this one can be cancelled. So it will be how much? Minus x to the power 2. So this is minus x to the power 2. We have written here minus x to the power 2. and this minus x to the power 2 will be multiplied with the divisor, that is minus x to the power 2 into minus x square plus 2. So when you multiply it, plus minus into minus, it becomes plus x square into x square, it becomes x to the power 4, and then this is minus x square into 2, that means it will become minus 2x square. So this one we have written here, that is x to the power 4 minus 2x square. Now we have changed the sign here, so it is plus, so it becomes minus, this is minus, so it becomes plus. See, this one is plus x to the power 4, this is minus x to the power 4, so we have cancelled it. Next, is there any square term here? No. Then whatever term is here, it will come automatically if there is no relevant term to it. Okay, now 5 of x minus 5x minus 5x plus 6 plus 6, we have written it. Why? Because there is no relevant such terms are there. Okay, next again, what is our first term? 2x square. So this 2x square, it will be divided by minus x square. So when you divide it minus x square, x cancel, what is left? Minus 2 minus x minus 2. So this minus 2 again we have to multiply with this, so it will be minus 2 into x square plus 2. So minus into minus, it becomes plus, 2 into x square, it becomes 2x square, minus into plus minus, 2 into 2, 4. So we have written here x square minus 4. Now we are going to change the sign. So this plus sign, it will become minus, this is minus, so it will become plus, and this 2, it is opposite, so cancel. Now what is left here? Minus x 5x plus 4 plus 6, so it becomes plus 10. So the quotient here we got is this one, and the remainder is this. Thank you. Now we are okay. Welcome back, students. So now we are going to do the other type of questions. Procedure is same, but the question is a little different. The question here it is, check whether the first polynomial, that is this one, is a factor of the second polynomial, that is this is the second polynomial, this one is the second polynomial, and this is the first polynomial. Okay, by dividing the second polynomial, that means we have to divide this one by this. Okay, dividing the second polynomial by the first one. So how to check it, students? See here, if we divide the second polynomial by the first polynomial, and if we get the remainder 0, that means this one is a factor of this. Okay, and if the remainder is not coming 0, that means it is not a factor. Okay, so we have arranged it like the previous question, tx square minus 3, and this term we have written in the second term we have written inside. Now again we have started dividing it. Same method. What is the first term here? 2t to the power 4, and what is first term here? T square. So t square. Cancelling, what is left here? 2t square, right? So with this 2t square, we have to multiply the entire divisor. That is what? T square minus 3. So when you multiply it, 2, so it will be coming as 2 only. T square, it becomes t to the power 4. Here it is minus sign, so minus, and here it is what? 2t to t square into 3. So 3 into 2, it is 6, and t square it will remain as it is. So this one we have written it here, 2t to the power 4 minus 6x square. Now we have changed the sign, that is it is plus, so it becomes minus, minus means plus. So this term and this term is the same and the opposite sign, so we have cancelled it. Now is there any cube term? No. So whatever term is there upside, we will directly copy it. So here it is what? 3t square, and this is what? Plus t 6tx square, and this is minus 2t square. So it will be how much? Plus 4t square. 6 minus 2, it is 4, and minus t minus 12. Now next first term is what? 3t square, and here it is what? T. So we will divide it. So 3t cube by what is our next term? T square. So it will be t square. Cancel. So what is left? 3t. So we have written here 3t, and with this 3t we have to multiply the divisor, that is t square minus 3. So it will become t into t square, it will become t cube, and 3 into 3 9, and it will be t. So we have written it here, 3t cube minus 9t. So sign will change, this is plus, so it will become minus, minus, plus. So cancel. Here it is minus t, and this one is becoming plus t. So cancel it. Now what is left? 4t square minus 12, 4t square minus 12. So next first term is what here? 4t square. And what is our first term here? T square. So square term cancel. What is left? 4. With this 4 we have to multiply this one. So that is t square minus 3. So it becomes 4t square minus 12. So we have written it. Minus, this is plus, so it becomes minus, then plus. The entire term is getting cancelled. So the remainder we are getting is what? 0. So we have written here, since the remainder is equal to 0, therefore t square minus 3, t square minus 3, that is the first term, is a factor of the second term. Okay, so now we are going to do same kind of questions, another questions we are going to do. Okay,